if local storage dot get item, local storage dot get item, call full name, local storage of get item, full name equal to null, that represent no one is login. In local storage, if full name variable is null, then it represent no one is login. Then it should call the public app. Then it should load the public app. Please modify this. Add this line and close here if. Close the if. Add that if condition. If local storage dot get item full name double equal to null, then root dot render public app. 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 Else, if someone is login, then root dot render. You will copy this root dot render and you will paste here, and you will write root dot render admin app. 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 Please add the condition. Let me know in the chat. After adding the condition, what for the rest? No, go there. First delete that existing folder. Stop your server and all. Stop CMD, stop VS Code, everything. Stop everything. Yes. Stop all. Now continue. Now delete that. Now download that SRC and keep there. Extract it. It's a zip format. Mm. Extract or no, there is also for extract. You don't know. Zip folder you should extract first. Where is that zip folder? Right click. First click, then right click. Extract all. So that extract all option is gone somewhere. Extract all. Wait, you did mistake to here. In SRC again, SRC will get created again. It will come back. Okay, after adding condition, check which page is loading. By default, it will load this page only, shopping page. By default, shopping page will come. Wait a minute. Copy this folder. Copy everything. Go inside that folder. Control A, Control C. Come back. In SRC, paste here. Now delete this SRC. Okay, start server and do everything. I will send you this code. If else I have added here. Here, this if else. I'll share in the chat if you can add this in index.js file. If else is sent in your chat, you can replace that, use it. Okay, so now next work will be first, we will work on login part. This login page. Login page will make functional, and then once we log in, then it will go inside. Once we log out, then it will come outside. Login, logout has to be ready. After that, we can make it remaining things. So open the login.js file. Even you can look into your this one JSON server API. You have data.json file. The data.json file was something like this. In that, account is empty as of now. So first open that data.json file. Data.json file you open, go inside data.json file. In data.json file, we can add one user. Okay, write ID called ID as a one, name property you can write here, vendor one, email, v1@gmail.com, password 1 2 3. Add this in data.json file. Add this in data.json file. One user we added here. Please add it, one user. Added one user. Add one user. This is a data.json file. Add this one in data.json file. Okay, now let's come to the login.js file. We'll go to the next login.js file. We'll go to login.js file. In login.js file, we have to use a fetch function. So in login.js file, so this file hope you have completed. Which file? Data.json. Come to login.js now, and in beginning import the use state. Use state. Use state. Next, after that, inside you create a let email. Email, comma, pick email. Use state, empty. Next, let pass, pick password. Use state, empty. Next, after that, let MSG, update MSG. Use state, empty. Next, write a function, login check. Login check. Variable URL equal to, not where, follow the let. URL equal to http:// localhost : 1234 / account. Right till here, account. We are calling the account URL (?) email equal to plus email. Email equal to plus email plus ? and password equal to plus pass. This line I can share also. This is, we are generating a query string to check in account array. This username and this email and password is exist or not. This email and password is matching or not. If it will be available under this account API, this user and password, email and password will be exist. It will give the details of that user. It will give the details of that user. We can use here called fetch function. In fetch function, you send the URL. Then after that, then capture the response and do the response.json. Next, after that, then write call. Then write call user info. Check below. Alert user info dot length. User info dot length. This function I am sharing in your chat. The function is shared in your chat. Take that function. So till here. Now next below on button click, we have to call login check, as well as on change we need to call these functions email and password. On change we need to call email and password. Okay, so we'll move next and we'll come down on change. On change, even where you can see here before this card we can display the message. Before card inside the core we can display the message variable also. So display that MSG variable. Before card, print that MSG variable. Okay, added MSG. Next, come down on change. On change. On change we can call here on change. On change equal to call the function. Pick email and inside that you pass the value of text box. Pass the value of text box. Same way you do for the second also. Pick password and again on click on click equal to call the function call, not login. Function name is called login check. Function name is called login check. On change do and call on check. Once you complete it, let me know. We will test together. Right, written on change completed everyone. Next, we need to enter the email ID and password and check whether the given email ID and password is exist under that particular URL or not. The given email ID and password is exist in the server or not. That we have to check. So we'll go here in the browser. Now see, we'll enter here. I enter abc@gmail.com, password something was there, click here. It is saying how many? 0. Now, what is the details we have added here? v1@gmail.com and password is a 123. Enter v1@gmail.com and password 123 and login. It will say 1. Check now. Is it something similar? If you are entering v1@gmail.com, it should come 1. If you enter something else, it should come as a 0. Right? If 1, then user is exist. If 0 means user is not exist. Right? So I will share you this complete login page. Some people are not able to say anything. So I'll share you this login page. Complete login page. Please use this. And let's reply. You can replace the code. Copy the code of login.js and paste under the login.js. Replace the code and then see. Okay, now come up and let's write here a condition if email equal to empty or pass equal to empty. If any one is empty, then if any one is empty, then update message please enter login details or enter login details. Enter login details. Enter login details. Okay, enter login details. Else this else will close in the last. This else will close in the last. Else and else and else and okay. Now if else we added, we can also check like this. Now copy this update message, paste under the else part, and right here, please wait, processing. So if email or password is not entered, message will come enter login details. If you will enter the email and password, message will come please wait, processing. And after some time, so first add it, please wait, processing. And we can check now. Enter a wrong email ID password, message will come, enter login details. Now, first enter nothing. Write it, I'll guide you how to test. Write it, after that I'll guide you how to test. Okay. Next, after this, let's check like this. Will not enter anything, and without entering, we'll click on button. It says enter login details. If we enter something, then the message will change, please wait, processing. And result came how much? 0. If 0, then invalid access. If 1, then redirect to the home page. Okay. Come now. Right here now, another if condition. So this if condition we added, if else what we have added. Now you will check the length here. Okay. If user info dot length equal to 0, then if user info dot length equal to 0, then invalid or not exist. 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 Written if user dot length equal to 0, then invalid or not exist. Else success, please wait, redirecting. Else success, please wait, redirecting. Success redirecting. And after that, success redirecting. You will write there local storage dot set item. Like you are creating the local storage now. Full name is the variable name that you are written in index.js file. And full name will get the data from user info. User info dot name will assign to the full name. User info dot name will assign to the full name. And create one more call. User info dot id will go to the id. EID, vendor ID. User info dot id. User info dot id will assign to the VID. Add this to line. Then we will write call window dot location dot href. Window dot location dot href. This URL we need to give. Localhost 3000. Localhost 3000. And after that, we need to reload the page. Window dot location dot reload. Window dot location dot reload. Window dot location dot reload. This is going to log in and everything. So first we'll try with the empty, then we'll try with the wrong username password, then we'll try with the valid username password. And after that, it will redirect you to the, this is you are creating the local storage. This is you are creating the local storage. So if you have done this else part, you can let me know. We can move for the next. And we can see the next. One person has completed. Let me guide you this way. Saying invalid not exist. I will enter something empty. Please enter details. I enter saying invalid. Then we'll check with the remaining. v1@gmail.com. Password 123. Please wait redirecting. And it will come to where? Dashboard dynamically. You don't have to do anything manually. Once you log in, automatically it will come to where? Dashboard. I will send you the login function complete. Let me try to send this complete login check. Yes, it is able to send. Please check that. Are you able to log in and redirect it to dashboard? Check once. Are you able to log in and redirect to the dashboard? Okay, once it's gone to the dashboard, from dashboard again we can log out. If it is came to dashboard, from dashboard we can log out. Login function is shared completely. You check once. Complete login function is sent. Okay, now we'll go to the dashboard file. And from dashboard, we have written here called Ganesh. This name should change to vendor one. And after logout, click on logout again, it should come back to the home page. So come to your header file. This 3 line you can take. Which one? This 2 line you copy from here. Copy this 2 line from here. Because when we log out, that time also we need this line. Copy this 2. And come to your admin folder. Admin folder, you have admin header. In admin folder, you have admin header. Open that file. In admin folder, we have a file called admin header. Open that file. Admin folder, we have admin header. Open that file. Come in the last, you have written called Ganesh, right? Ganesh, remove and open the curly bracket and close. Right inside local storage dot get item. and variable name you have used for full name. Right here called full name. Full name. Full name. Local storage dot get item. What was the variable? Full name. So it will give the name of login user. Because in local storage we have kept the full name. In local storage we have kept the full name. So once we log out, once we log in, the full name will hold the name of login user. The full name will hold the name of login user. Ganesh was written by default. Remove Ganesh. Ganesh was written by default. Remove Ganesh. Okay, remove Ganesh. Now let me show you printing undefined. Very good. Okay, region is somewhere else. Name is okay. I have written the name only. Full name, local storage dot get item. Full name is okay. What is wrong here? User info dot name. Right? User info dot name is correct only. Why it is printing undefined? For everyone undefined? Okay. Right, no problem. We can check it. So undefined is coming. Let it come. We can make it ready. We have to modify something in login page. Now go here on button click. On click. Call the logout. On click, call a function called logout. On click, call a function called logout. On click, call a function called logout. Okay, written. On click equal to logout. Now come down. Inside the component, write a function called logout. Const logout. And inside the logout, write local storage dot clear. Like clearing all the data from local storage. Delete all data from local storage. Remove all data from local storage. Delete all data from local storage. Okay. Next, after that, you will paste those two lines what we have already written. Slash login. Local storage dot clear, then redirect to the login page, and after that reload the page. After going to the login page, reload it. So this happened the logout. This happened for the logout. So once we click on logout button, everything will get clear and it will log out from the system. And it will log out from the system. Log out from the application, not from the system. Check once logout is happening and again relogin is happening. Login and logout both will happen. Okay. So logout, if I click, logout will happen. Again, if you do V1 login, login will happen. But this name is coming undefined. That we need to figure it out. Shopping and all will be okay. Login and all will be fine. Just login will happen, logout will happen. Okay, let us check now undefined why it was coming in login file. We have written here user info dot name. Can you see user info dot name you have written in login page? So it look like it is coming in the form of multi-dimensional array of object. So you have to write user info of 0 dot name, user info of 0 dot id, user info of 0, user info of 0, apply both the places. Then it should print the name. Okay, hope done. Let us check now. Name is printed now. Vendor 1. Log out. Again login. Will happen properly all. Order will show, product will show, dashboard. So your page become complete all end-to-end dynamic. Navigation is pending, this navigation. So this navigation, you can use the Bootstrap navigation. In Bootstrap, we have navigation black color menu that we will add here. I'll share you now again SRC folder. Let me send you the SRC folder. If it is not working, you can use this. SRC folder is sent in your chat. You can use that SRC folder.